I need vanilla extract. All right, this belly is getting pretty full. This was such an easy and quick, what? 14th recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. Today we're making a dessert that only needs 3 main ingredients. You heard that right. It's the kind of dessert that when you have unexpected guests, you can whip up in no time. It's a tofu mousse. I'm using a firm tofu, but you can use a silken tofu as well. Please trust me, it tastes amazing. Let's get started. For the tofu mousse, you will need 200 grams of good quality dark chocolate. Place a small pan over a medium-low heat. Half fill with boiling water, then place a medium heat-proof bowl on top, making sure the base doesn't touch the surface of the water. Allow the chocolate to melt, stirring occasionally. Add 400 grams of natural, firm or silken tofu to a food processor and mix. If you're using firm tofu, you can add a bit of plant-based milk to get it even creamier if you wish. Add 5 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend again. Pour in the melted chocolate and blend again until silky and combined. Divide the mousse between little glass bowls. You can also use this mixture as frosting for vegan cakes or cupcakes. Decorate with berries and chopped hazelnuts. This was such an easy and quick recipe, and it doesn't even need any chilling time. So chocolatey and moussey. Is that even a word? Today it is. Yum.